watching my channel My 121 Cents, where I'm sharing my life in United States. And today in this video I'm going to show you my 2-bedroom apartment. So let's get started. Hello, welcome to my home. When you enter, you can see this beautiful frame of Lord Ganesha, and down below that a wall hangings with coppery red-brown sun is welcoming you. Left side down there I have one small shoe rack. From the hallway you can have a glimpse of my living area, and from the right side this is a washer and dryer room. I have some laundry essentials over here, and right hand side it's a water heater. Now let's move to the guest room. We are using this room as an office, and this is how it looks like. And yes, this is a computer desk, side tables, one extra chair. This is my emergency bag. I kept it here because if any kind of emergency happens, we just run away taking this bag. It's a guest bathroom. Let me show you first the overall view, and the frame out there which I got from Dollar Tree, and that picture, that image I took from a magazine. Wash basin platform, and right side it's a small cabinet. Underneath the wash basin I have some cleaning products which I have organized in the small boxes. In other side a towel rack and a bathtub. Now let's move on the living area. That's the whole view of my living area. Right side one small dining table is there. One of our friend has given this table, sofa and coffee table, one more office table and chair, and TV, fireplace, and a huge teddy bear and a small teddy bear. So now this is my favorite part of this apartment because it changes the color, and I love colorful things. Right there besides the TV, little Lord Krishna and a small frame. This is a balcony door which I'll show you later on, and that's the leasing office I can see from my living area. That's a table set with lots of baskets, and in that basket I keep magazines, extra random stuff, my camera and batteries and like that kind of stuff. And here I have a watch collection, spectacles and sunglasses. We brought some extra spectacles from India because here it is costly, and Uno cards. Right there in the corner I have one Bluetooth speaker which I got from Amazon. A small study table which I got from Walmart, and this beautiful frame has given by our friends as a gift. The focal point of my living area is this sofa. On the coffee table I normally keep chocolates and mouth freshener. These two black chairs I have bought from Amazon. This is the overview of my kitchen from living area. Now let's go inside the kitchen. Here in US you can find this kind of flooring. In this apartment we have carpet in the bedrooms and living area, and kitchen is having wooden flooring. This is an automatic garbage bin which I got from Costco, and this is my one of the favorite items in my home. This is the pantry which is given to store extra groceries and other random stuff. Now look at these white baskets. Actually it is a DIY. I made these baskets out of milk cans to store garlic, onion, potatoes, sweet potatoes and fresh coconuts. Right here I do hang all my pans like this because I don't like nesting them at all. Now let me show you my refrigerator. On the door I have cut the calendar and pasted some pages over here. It's a rising sun. In my kitchen area there is no natural sunlight. That's why I put this one here, so that I can have a rising sun kind of feelings every morning, and that's a refreshing and my favorite fruit grapes over here. Inside the fridge you can see this is how I have organized the stuff. Top shelf there are some cold drinks and leftover food. In this drawer I used to keep leafy vegetables, and down there milk and other random stuff. In the small basket I keep tomatoes, lemons, avocado and some fruits, while in big basket as usual normal vegetables. The door side you can see basic sauces, Indian traditional pickles, and in the top shelves here I put some tiny boxes to store half cut lemons, garlic paste and garlic cloves. Now let's have a look in the cabinets, but before that see these magnetic spice jars. I got it from Amazon. It is very comfortable to use while cooking, and that's why I really like this one. Here on the left side of the cooktop I keep oil and ghee for everyday use. Now cabinets. The smallest cabinet in my kitchen. I organized lots of stuff over here. As you can see, sugar, tea, Bonvita, and this rolling rack is having Amul milk bottles. I reuse them to store herbs. On the topmost shelf you can see drinking chocolates, coffee and Patanjali honey. Right below this cabinet I have these 4 drawers which I use the most. And this is my microwave. Nowadays normally in the new apartments you can see stainless steel upgraded kitchen appliances like this. To get rid of oily and sticky wall, I put there magazine pages which I laminated with broad sellotapes. These all are my other cabinets which I have organized like this. This big cabinet is specially dedicated to store all my crockeries. And look at this cup set which is my favorite one. The cabinets underneath the kitchen platform is organized such like this. And finally let me show you the 360-degree view of my kitchen area. It's my dishwasher, and this is how I load my dishwasher, as you can see here. And under the sink I have some cleaning products and garbage bin. Now let's move to the living closet. In this I store extra handlooms, my purse collection, and some pillows, and down there you can see the small boxes of coconut water in which I keep all my shopping bags and plastic bags. And finally, here we are in my bedroom. It's a beautiful bedroom. I like the size of this bedroom. And this bedroom set is second hand. By the way, most of the furniture we bought the used one because we are here for short period of time only. So OfferUp and Craigslist are the best website to buy used furniture. And this is my dresser which I have organized such like this. Mirror I bought from Amazon, which is my another favorite item in my home. Right there you can see walk-in closet. Left side is mine and right side is dedicated for my hubby's cloth collection. Now let me show you master bathroom. And as you can see right there, I have one window in my master bathroom. I really like this window because it's very necessary to get rid of extra moisture and having fresh air. Now last but not the least, balcony area. In the balcony they have given a storeroom where I store all the boxes. And this is 360-degree view of my balcony. That's all for today. Thank you so much for having a virtual tour of my apartment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe my channel to see more of my videos. See you next time. Till then, keep learning, being a lifelong learner.